My name's Andrew Lloyd and I'm the director of Green Machine West Midlands. Becoming a franchisee with Green Machine, really coming from a different background, so within the service industry, being in a business which is different to the cleaning industry, I knew that I would need the support and the knowledge from a company which has already got a proven success within the industry. So I wasn't just going to go and make lots of mistakes, costly mistakes at the start of my business. And Green Machine was the company that I chose out of the ones that I went to visit. First of all, it gave me this, being part of Green Machine has given me the structure that I needed to in order to set the business up. It's also given me the support in regards to operations, marketing, and also hiring people as well, and also importantly getting in front of clients. Green Machines enabled me to do that and get off to a good start. When I looked around for the right franchise for myself, once I decided that the cleaning industry, because it's a very resilient industry, was what I wanted to go into, I met with several franchisors, but when I came to Green Machine, in fact my first contact with Green Machine was, it was excellent straight away. I kind of knew that it was going to be the business for me to join. I came down and visited, and it was, great staff, so that's always a good sign. Good branding as well. Everything was really well organised, and the company had a good set of values which I felt were important for me to use in order to move forward with my own business. So I think one of my favourites is getting 2 clients in one go. So there was brand new development, and Green Machine booked through a phone call for me to visit that site, do a site survey. From the back of that, we got a recommendation. It's a brand new site, good size, really nice place for staff to work. And then subsequently we got the business next door as a client as well, and everything went smoothly from the setup to running operationally. So that's been a highlight for me so far. When joining Green Machine, we decided on an amount of business that Green Machine were going to bring in for me. Firstly, making your appointments to start with is very important. Green Machine have delivered on all of that, so they've got me in front of clients. But also to back that up, once you go out to an appointment, you've got to follow it up. And Green Machine's marketing is excellent in terms of presentation and also accreditation, and that has just enabled me to win those appointments. So we've got those people as clients. It's a very good training package. When we first started with Green Machine, we had 2 weeks. We had 2 weeks with Green Machine at the head office. We went through various processes. We visited one of their live sites. We actually did some cleaning on site, which was it's a great way to learn. We went through the financial aspects, the marketing aspects, the operational aspects, and that was done thoroughly throughout those 2 weeks of training. Following on from that, once you get going and you're live on the ground, you've got the support there. So if I need to phone somebody, I know that there's somebody in operations, there's somebody in HR, there's somebody in all aspects of the business which is on hand for me to talk to. That's just vital, because you're going to come up against these day-to-day issues when you're running a business, and having that experience behind you, it's just going to stop you from making mistakes, which can be costly in lots of ways. The Green Machine ethos of being dedicated. Now branding will reflect that, but there has to be some soul behind the branding as well. And I think when you're running a business, having some values and a bit of a soul behind what you're doing will help you be successful. It's as much as you want within reason. I think Some franchisees are very rigid in what you can and can't do. Obviously, within reasonable boundaries that's not detrimental to the business, you are your own boss. I think you don't join a franchise to have a boss, and even though Green Machine are there to support you, they're not there to treat you as if you're an employee. It's your own business. The Green Machine team, they are a fun bunch. They have a good sense of humour. They are professional, of course, and they know their stuff inside out. I mean, their knowledge is second to none. You've got the core team, which are the more senior team. They've been doing this for years and years, and they've got a lot of knowledge behind them, which is there for you to use. But at the same time, you can have a laugh with them. We've all had scenarios which turn into being funny, and also it's good to be able to have people to bounce off, especially in business, because business is tough sometimes. I would recommend Green Machine as a franchisor, and being a franchisee. One, if you've got an appetite for having your own business and you want a company which has good branding, operational support and good guidance, and to be treated as an individual, then for all those reasons I would recommend that Green Machine can help you get to your goal.